What if you could catch trend reversals right at the acceleration point? Today I'll show you the Parabolic SAR plus EMA50 strategy, and we'll backtest it on 5 years of real Bitcoin data. Stay till the end. Look at this. Raw price. Pure chaos. No direction. We need the right tools. A 50K EMA. This is our dynamic trend filter. Price above, we look for longs. Price below, we look for shorts. Now the Parabolic SAR. It plots dots that follow price acceleration. Dots below mean bullish momentum. Dots above mean bearish. When they flip, pay attention. Signal. We have EMA trend alignment and the SAR just confirmed with a momentum flip. This is our entry. Take profit set at 2.5R. Stop loss fixed at exactly 0.6% for entry. 2% risk per trade. The green line is our target. The red line is our stop. Every trade follows this exact structure. And there it is. Now let's run the full backtest. $10,000, 5 years of data. Here we go. Backtest started. Let's see if catching acceleration pays off.
Before we continue, I want to quickly tell you about something. If you trade crypto, you probably know how frustrating it is to constantly switch between different charts, data tools, news platforms, and indicators. It wastes time and breaks your focus. That's exactly why Waska was created. Waska is an all-in-one crypto analysis platform that brings the tools traders need into a single place. Inside the app, you can access 80+ market data sources, track whale movements, and monitor important macro events using the economic calendar. You can also upload a chart screenshot and get an AI-powered detailed analysis of the coin within seconds. Set price alerts, explore VIP indicators and strategies. So instead of jumping between multiple tools, Waska helps you keep everything in one place and stay focused on the market. If you want to try it yourself, you can find the download link in the comments.
Three trades in. The SAR is keeping us in trends at the right moments. Five trades. Notice how EMA50 filters out the noise. What do you think so far? Here's a question. What if we tighten the SAR acceleration factor? Drop a comment with your thoughts. If you're finding this useful, hit subscribe. It really helps the channel. Quick tip, check out Waska on the App Store for AI-powered crypto analysis. Link in description. "20 trades. The edge is starting to show clearly in the data. Interesting. What if we added a volume confirmation? Tell me what you think in the comments. We're cooking. Subscribe if you're enjoying this. What strategy should I test next? "40 trades. This is where the data gets meaningful. Small samples lie. Big samples tell the truth. "50 trades. Getting serious now. Waska also has AI chart analysis. Just upload a screenshot. Still going strong. If you made it this far, you're a real one. Stay subscribed. "75 trades. The strategy is proving its edge. Always backtest before risking real money. Almost at 100. Professional level backtasting right here.